Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special to discuss, the highly anticipated 2026 Honda S2000. This legendary roadster is making a comeback, and it's ready to redefine the modern sports car experience with a perfect blend of heritage, innovation, and sheer driving thrill. The 2026 Honda S2000 stays true to its roots with a lightweight, driver-focused design while embracing modern engineering excellence. Its exterior design is nothing short of breathtaking. Sleek lines, a low stance, and an aggressive front fascia create a striking presence on the road. The iconic long hood and short rear deck proportions are retained, paying homage to the original S2000 while introducing a modern twist with sharper LED headlights and a redesigned front grille. The aerodynamic enhancements, including subtle vents and a rear diffuser, not only enhance the car's visual appeal but also contribute to improved performance. Under the hood lies the heart of the 2026 Honda S2000, a newly developed 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive 350 horsepower. Honda has engineered this powerplant to maintain the high-revving character that made the original S2000 so beloved. The redline has been pushed to an exhilarating 9,000 RPM, ensuring a thrilling driving experience every time you step on the gas. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, the car offers pure driving pleasure, keeping the spirit of the classic roadster alive. The performance doesn't stop there. The 2026 Honda S2000 features a rear-wheel drive layout, perfectly balanced for cornering precision. Its lightweight chassis, crafted from aluminum and carbon fiber elements, ensures optimal weight distribution and superior handling dynamics. The adaptive suspension system further enhances control, providing a smooth ride during daily driving while tightening up for aggressive track performance. The steering has been finely tuned for sharp response, making every twist and turn feel intuitive and connected to the road. Inside the cabin, Honda has created a driver-centric cockpit that blends simplicity with modern luxury. The minimalistic dashboard design keeps distractions to a minimum, while the digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Premium leather seats with Alcantara accents provide both comfort and support, making long drives just as enjoyable as spirited sprints. Honda has also integrated the latest safety technologies into the 2026 S2000. Advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking offer peace of mind without compromising the raw driving experience. The inclusion of a limited slip differential and advanced traction control further ensures stability under high-performance driving conditions. Now, let's talk about the experience behind the wheel. The 2026 Honda S2000 isn't just a car, it's a connection between driver and machine. The high-revving engine note, precise gear shifts, and the open-top driving experience create an unmatched level of engagement. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising down the highway, this car delivers pure driving excitement. The return of the S2000 isn't just about nostalgia. It's about redefining what a modern roadster should be. Honda has taken everything that made the original a legend and elevated it with modern performance, technology, and design. The 2026 S2000 is a celebration of driving passion, and it's set to make waves in the sports car market. That's all for today's review. If you're as excited about the 2026 Honda S2000 as we are, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the hottest cars of the future. Let us know your thoughts about this stunning roadster in the comments below. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.